You've been a party leader for like 50 seconds or a minute or something. I made your party leader and ran up to the bathroom.
Oh, I'm about to clap you on nigga Genji. Oh, you gotta play Genji.
One.
Huh?
Fight.
Do the worst.
Goulet wants to on my balls, bro. I'm not gonna let Goulet win this time. I fucking
My deadliest enemy.
What the hell?
Intellect! Ooh! Tell him, Intellects. And not only do I heal, I kill Goulet too for living.
What happened? What the fuck?
You see what happens when we make you party leader, bro? Your Wi-Fi acts up.
Like, you just cancel this out sometimes. I don't know why.
You have no Wi-Fi.
Huh?
No, go ahead, bro. Go ahead. I got you.
We're not let fucking Mr. Chief be fucking tank. We're getting
we just made you Intellect. Didn't we make him a tank earlier, Goulet?
One.
I believe
Fight.
we learned not to make Goulet tank.
I'm quick with it.
I'm just trying to jump before I hit the ball. Oh, he's that confident. Who was that?
That was me. I did that multiple times. It worked out just fine.
Welcome
I just-
to Blizzard World.
Yo, you think Lucas is worth it?
hell no. You gotta be good. Like, you gotta be decent at least.
Goulet, be your girl.
Yeah, I think
Goulet,
I'm
no, be
decent,
the Chinese
actually. I
girl.
think I'm pretty decent.
Oh
Goulet,
my God.
you wanna be the Chinese girl, Goulet. What's her name?
Don't go anywhere. You're one of my finest experiments.
How do you even pick May?
May.
How do you even pick May?
Checking in.
You know why?
Why?
I have heard
You
of
know
your
why?
exploit.
You're just looking for it. You itching for me to say it.
No honor
I swear to God, I don't know what you're talking about.
Shimada, where do I know that name from?
Lucas from
Oh, that's right.
What's your vision,
Family
Goulet?
of criminals.
Asian?
Yeah, and you're Asian too, bro.
What that gotta do with me?
You gotta support Wakanda forever. What the fuck?
Line damage increase.
One.
Who said Asian and then
Attackers
African? What the
incoming.
fuck?
Defend objective.
It's the concept. Do you know?
On with it.
Support.
Oh, let's go Hanzo.
The way Ram ran. Bro, when you become big, it's funny how you run. Our tank.
Yo, Mercy is such a fuck build, by the way.
I'm telling you, when we have intellects, confidence is up there.
Let me fix you up.
The dragon consume you.
Heroes never die. There's much for you to do.
That's the one about it.
This time.
Amplify your power.
Oh, fuck me. I used it fast enough, too early, but fuck it.
Improving your vitals.
Hey, yo, don't say shut up. No, we were all there. We were all there. It's just use his dragon.
No, it was my fault. I was all the way up that
Ich sollte schnell zurück.
The dragon awakens.
I'm right next to you, Bam. The way you run when you're so big is crazy.
Right by you. Be uplifted.
I've got you in my sights.
Brian, come back. Oh, you're confident enough to be in that, so you got that. He's hitting me with the stick because he doesn't want me to heal you.
Heroes never die.
I'm coming.
This will just take a moment. Not on my watch. Here to help.
Oh, that's the hack.
Enemy over here. Right by you.
No!
Healthy body, healthy mind.
I got you, Brim. Well, I had you, but now I'm out of juice.
Come here, and I will heal you.
I'm out of juice. I was with you though. We took a good minute.
Feel strong.
Take that with you, bullet. What the fuck?
You cannot escape me. Come on, get up. Group up with me. Heightening your capabilities.
Brim, you're moving too far. Like I don't have healing. I'm out of juice. Nice.
Where y'all going? Come here.
I thought you'd be a decent fucking Hanzo, man.
I'm tank bro. What y'all want?
Ibrahim, come back. You're at their home base. Yeah, you're all up there, Ibrahim. Come back. Oh, Mario's on our ult. I'm fighting for you, Ibrahim, but I can't. Here's my juice. Take that with you. I lived through the last moment.
Get that Mara.
Okay. I got my ult, but... Oh, ooh!
Nice.
Careful, we're outnumbered. The wonders of modern medicine. Merci.
Oh yeah, I'm dead.
Angel at your shoulder.
But Mercy, ooh, I was scratching my back and wasn't expecting you to revive me.
Maintaining damage boost. A fine execution.
You suffice me.
Monstering you.
Push it up.
Enemy over
I didn't reflect. I tried to do
No! Oh god.
Medical technology is
Our
truly
Widow's just pissed we're not helping her at all. Widowmaker.
Once again,
Hello. Group up here.
Stop the payload.
Yes.
hello.
Supplying damage and greetings. Misery
Oh, you guys want the other spawns?
Yeah.
Let the dragon consume you.
Yeah, move to the next spot. Oh, what the fuck? I just got hit. What was that? Oh, that was.
I will not let you fall.
I don't know what's happening. I'm gonna give you guys some juice. Intellects. Good luck with that.
The flame of my soul.
Beacon stream connected.
Hold on right here. As long as I get healed, I'm good.
The dragon will never be
I can fix that.
Oh, good, come back. You guys are way up there. Oh,
No one can hide from sight. I see a hostile. Let me see what I can do. Surrender to my will.
Wait, how do you get through your weapon?
I see an
dragon
enemy.
consume you.
Heroes never die.
no, just go ahead. Oh, Mario's on her ult, by the way. Careful. See that? Yo, our Widow is thick though. What the fuck? I'm just like.
Alright, got him.
I'm sorry.
What time? 30 seconds.
Oh, they're pushing so hard. What the fuck? Yeah, 50 seconds.
Ah!
50 seconds.
Ah! Good luck.
10 seconds.
7 seconds. Oh my god, we got.
Hold on, Mercy, stay right behind me. Stay right behind
They won't even make it. By the time they get to the payload, it's too late. Oh, overtime. I forgot about overtime.
We got this.
Don't let that. Don't let it move. Don't let it move. Don't let it move. Someone get on there.
Dragon consume you.
Oh no, I died.
I got my ult. You guys just hold it. I'm good. I can just teleport it.
Making a full recovery.
I'm there. I can't. And I died right in front of the face. Holy fuck! Look at the amount we healed.
Okay, let's see what game of the player is.
How? Look at her healing. 8,000. What the fuck?
To be honest, I think you'll just go on the other one. How much damage do you have?
Barely. Oh, 20 though. Yeah, 20.
Oh, the guy who left.
Fuck it. Harry, I don't know how the fuck I get the game of play.
Is that what he said? You believed in me when I didn't believe him?
Bro, look. Listen. If you scroll up to the
Bad.
chat, he said, bro, I give up.